Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is another Thoughtful Thursday video, and this is in collaboration with our host Joy from Organize with Joy, a good friend of mine. And don't forget to check out all the other YouTubers here on this playlist. We have some amazing Thoughtful Thursday ideas, great insights on life, love, relationships. There's much to learn on this collaboration. So for today's Thoughtful Thursday, I wanted to ponder on this Chanel quote that I came across, and the quote says, "In order to be irreplaceable, one must always be different." I want to say thank you to Jen from Live, Laugh, Love with Jen. She was the one who gave me the inspiration to look up Chanel quotes. In this video, I wanted to write sort of a letter to my younger self. To that person who was unsure, insecure of yourself, I would tell you this. Dear self, much too often we find ourselves and our identity in the groups we associate with. We copy or be like someone else so that we can feel that we belong. It is in our nature to move in packs, find our tribe by the things that we have in common or not, and the drive to want to fit in. However, if I could give you one piece of advice, I would tell you that none of that matters. As we reach our adolescent years, we separate from the group mentality and begin the search for ourselves and our own individuality. This is truly apparent in late high school years as we compete to try to stand out for college applications, scholarships, and/or that first job. The big question arises of where do I go from here can only be answered when you truly understand yourself better. Sometimes it takes a lot of soul searching to realize how special we are, but more so how different we are from one another. With maturity and experience, the hope is that one day we break from the chains of the pack mentality and realize that we don't have to follow what society defines as the prettiest or the most popular, but instead focus on living up to what we are born to do, to what you are born to do, and are meant to become. You must realize that what society feels is the prettiest or the strongest among us is not applicable to all. You must define what is beautiful to you and what is strong in your own life and for your own situation. Have the courage to be true to yourself, whether that is different from the norm or not. Realize your strength and your weaknesses. You have a gift whether you realize it now or later. A gift that is truly unique to you and you alone. Sure, someone may be better at sports than you, skinnier, taller, more outspoken than you. But you could be totally someone else. The guitar player, the writer, the kind one, the compassionate one, or the faithful one. We all have certain qualities which make up who we are. And when you decide to own up to it, can those qualities be great and reach its highest potential? So when you feel you're not enough, find strength in this Chanel quote and dare to be different. What you bring to the table that is different is what makes a lasting impact and makes you irreplaceable at work, school, home, play, or even in relationships. So don't be afraid to throw yourself to the wolves, but don't forget to come back leading the pack. So that is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this Thoughtful Thursday video. I want to thank Joy from Organize with Joy for hosting this collaboration. Also, don't forget to check out the description box for the playlist of all the other Thoughtful Thursday videos. It's always a treat to watch all of these videos every month. And with that said, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it or learned something. And I hope to see you guys in my corner soon. Bye.